there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. In the left corner, we've got the TENSSENX GPS drone. And in the right corner, it's the Gleesfun G11MINI drone. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. All right, let's start with the most important thing, your wallet. The TENSSENX GPS drone is priced at a sweet $169. That's right, it's cheaper than a weekend getaway. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI drone is a bit more high maintenance at $299. For that price, it better fly itself and cook me dinner. Now, let's talk cameras. The TENSSENX sports a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable for those Instagram-worthy shots. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. But wait, the Gleesfun G11MINI comes in hot with an upgraded 4K UHD camera that also shoots 2.7K 50 FPS and 4K/25 FPS. It's like the James Cameron of drones, ready to capture every epic moment. Moving on to flight time, the TENSSENX offers a respectable 52 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not bad, right? But hold your propellers, folks. The Gleesfun G11MINI ups the ante with a whopping 60 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film an entire drone soap opera. Design and portability, anyone? The TENSSENX is foldable and comes with a nifty carrying case. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. The Gleesfun G11MINI also skips the FAA hassle and comes with a cool dark green shell and a camera shield. It's like the James Bond of drones, stylish and ready for action. Now, let's talk smarts. Both drones come with GPS auto-return, so they won't pull a Houdini and disappear on you. The TENSSENX has features like altitude hold, optical flow, and headless mode. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI has follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It's practically a flying genius. All it's missing is a PhD. Are you a drone newbie? No worries, the TENSSENX is super beginner-friendly with one-key takeoff, landing, and speed adjustments. But the Gleesfun G11MINI takes it a step further, with a beginner mode and both remote and app controls. It's like the drone that holds your hand and says, "You got this, buddy." Reviewers generally find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be a great entry-level option with a good camera, smooth flying capabilities, and beginner-friendly features. Some minor drawbacks include a fixed phone holder angle and occasional connectivity issues. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI drone is praised for its advanced features, good camera resolution, and ease of use, though it struggles in strong winds and has a higher price tag. So there you have it, folks. The TENSSENX GPS drone and the Gleesfun G11MINI drone. 2 incredible flying machines, each with their own perks. If you're ballin' on a budget, the TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for that extra flight time and advanced features, the Gleesfun G11MINI is calling your name. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.